My face has already been washed. As you can see, I already started with my eyebrows off camera. I have bought these Morphe brushes. So these brushes, they don't have name on it because I needed some brush. I don't have many brushes. This is the package. These are brushes, 20 pieces I think. So my point here is all the brushes I'm going to use are from Morphe, and then they don't have name on it. So in case you see me like apply eyeshadow or foundation without saying the number or the name of the brush. So yeah, that's why I had to say before we started the video. Okay, I'm going to use this MAC Hydrate cream. So I have to hydrate my face and all. I know my wig is not perfect. I'm not a pro when it comes to wig, so it is what it is, period. Okay, so now I'm going to use this NYX primer Honeydew Me Up. NYX primer Honeydew Me Up. I like this one. I'm going to use this Juvia's Place foundation and shade Kenya. Okay, Kenya number 200. I'm going to take this foundation brush, our brush, new one, Morphe. And then if you are interested on buying these brushes, I will put the link in the description box. Concealer, I'm going to use this shade number, same from Juvia's Place. I'm going to use number 10 and number 11. Ooh. So now I'm going to use number 5 as my contour shade. It's also from Juvia's Place. This brush here to set our contour. Okay. I'm going to take my sponge to set my concealer, and this is a bit damp, like a bit wet. I'm going to take my Aura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Hand to set my concealer. English language. I see I use a lot of energy when I speak English, so but it is what it is. So I'm taking my Aura Mercier setting powder and my concealer. Yeah, setting powder, so this help like our concealer doesn't move and they can last all day. Okay, setting my forehead, everywhere that we applied our concealer. Then we are going to apply, we are going to set with a setting powder everywhere on my chin, and then I can even apply around here, and then I'm going to use this next, yes, eyeshadow base. I use almost the same thing like every day, like in every video, with my finger. So when we're going, I can sit nice. Today with the eyes, I want to go with something simple. Something simple, because the focus, I want a red lipstick. I didn't use the red lipstick for long, so I want the focus to be on the lipstick today. The eyes, I want to keep it very simple. Use this Morphe palette. You already know. You've been here. If you've been here for a while, then you know this already. A bit, so. What I'm seeing here, this doesn't show as much as I want. This one I think is a bit deep. Yes, and then I think I'm going to take this. I have this MAC eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow. This one is already been this one is broken. Like if I show, like everything is going to fall off. So I'm going to take this brownie, and then I'm going to set. I think it's the same color as Morphe, but I think this one stays more. Okay. I think I'm taking my blending brush. So we agree, we take this one here. Yes, this one was good. I'm applying here. Yes, I take the MAC one, and then I put here in the corner to get a little bit. Darker in here, but I don't want too much dark. So I put my eyeliner and my lashes, and then we're coming back. Okay, I'm going to take out my powder. I'm going to use this MAC Studio Fix powder, NW46. Blend it down so we can get that. MAC contour palette, this one. I'm using this one here. Lancome translucent setting powder, low setting powder. It is one color deep. So this one, I like to use this one as my bronzer. MAC contour powder. So I'm going to set to my this brush. I hope I can. Yeah, I'm going to set to contour my nose. I don't know how to contour nose, but we're gonna try anyway. I'm going to use this same palette we use for eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take this like red in here for my blush. to use MAC Ruby Woo lipstick. This one here. This ready to use it. The MAC Gold Deposit Mineral Skin Finish. This one, like highlighter. I'm going to use this as my highlighter. Morphe brush for highlighter. I'm going to set my face, and then I change my clothes, and then I come back to you. Okay, so as you can see, this is the finished look. This is everything we've been working in, we've been doing here. We've been working, yeah. So I hope you like this look as much as I do. Yes, you see. Yes, and then you see, before I didn't care much about the wig, like about the lace, because I wanted my wig to be like, just like this. See, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching my videos. I'm so happy for that, and thank you so much. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Put the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.